Okay guys, I'm going to do another one from the list of suggested videos. Michelle Raffin asked this. Hello, I'd really much appreciate if you would do a video how to build a song list. By example, I tried with free live preset and I wanted to do a rhythm section and a solo section. When I have verse free live for the rhythm, I tried to bypass boost and delay, but each time I tried on the solo live free, it bypassed the two equally, and when I reactivate them only in the solo section, when I go back to verse live free, the two effects are reactivated there also. I thought we could do what I told more easily. It's not intuitive and I don't know how to do it. Thanks. Now Michel is from France, so I'm having a little bit of trouble with his issue. Now I'm confused because it sounds like he's trying to build a song from the same preset and editing the preset. And you know, that's not how we build a song, but we can help him out. Let's pull up the Pro Control app and build a song for Michel. A song is nothing more than a selection of up to 6 presets put together in any order that makes sense to you. You can make a different foot switch label for each part of the song, such as intro, verse 1, etc. This doesn't overwrite the actual preset name. And then when you're in song mode, you can choose from the list of songs that you've created. If I understand Michel correctly, he wants to use the live free preset for his rhythm parts. For his lead parts, he wants to add a boost and a delay. Okay, we can do that. Now, in case you aren't familiar with the live free preset, it's one of the new presets that we got with firmware 1.3.74. As you can see, it's using the instrument parallel 1 signal path. The Tangerine RV is on the top path, and the Plexi is on the bottom path. Those amps both feed into the small hall reverb. Now there are 2 small issues with this preset. First of all, let's go to foot switch assign. As you can see, there's a foot switch set up to turn the Tangerine RV on and off. The first issue is that the LED is set to off for both the active and inactive states. Now what you want to do is you want to click right here where it says Tangerine RV. You're at the preset foot switch assignment panel. Now we can see that there's an on-off switch already set up right here for turning the Tangerine on and off. That's all good. But as you can see, both color active and inactive are off. So for color active, we're choosing orange, baby. For color inactive, dim. Now you'll be able to tell if the Tangerine RV is active or not. Now the second issue also involves the Tangerine RV. It's all good as long as the Tangerine RV is turned on. However, if you turn it off, you still get direct signal from your guitar going through the top path, and that gets mixed in with the Plexi signal. Now there's a simple fix. We should still be at the preset foot switch assignment panel. Click the plus sign underneath the on-off. Now you're at the select assignment type panel. Click on parameter change. Now you're brought back to your preset. Click on the first splitter box right here. As you can see, you get a blue triangle underneath it. Now click on the blue confirm up here in the right-hand corner. This brings you to the select parameter panel. Click on level A, which adjusts the top path. Now you're at the select activated value. It's at 100% and click confirm. Now for the select inactivated value, bring it all the way down to 0 and press confirm. And I'm going to change the custom label just to say Tangerine RV again. So now you want to save this. Save it as live free rhythm. Now if we look at the foot switch assignment, the Tangerine RV is turned on. It's on here. And level A is turned all the way up. Go back to foot switch, turn it off, go back. Check the splitter box. Level A is all the way down. So now signal is only going through the Plexi and then to the small hall reverb. Go back to foot switch assign, turn it on. Now save this preset again in the next empty preset slot and call it live free lead. Select next empty preset, live free lead. Okay, now click on the plus sign at the end of the signal path. Go to Effects, Stomp Box, Boost. Press the blue Confirm. Now take it and drag it so it's before the reverb. Click on the plus sign at the end of the path again. Effects, Delay, and I'm using the Stereo Tape Echo with my Big Al Lead block preset. Now take this and also drag it before the reverb. So now we have amps, boost, tape echo, and small hall reverb. So now save your preset again. So we have live free rhythm and live free lead. Now click on the songs icon. Now I've already set it up once, calling it All Right Now, but let me do it again just for you guys. Let's call it Now All Right. Sure. Now you're in the song foot switch assignment panel. Click on the plus sign right above the first foot switch on the left. Now you're at the Add Preset to Song panel. Select Live Free Rhythm. Click the blue Confirm. Now if you want a custom label, click the plus to the right of Label. I'm going to use Verse. Click the back arrow, and now you can see the first foot switch is turned on. It's labeled Verse, and the preset name is Live Free Rhythm. Now we'll have to do the same thing with the second foot switch. Click on the plus. Add preset to song. Click on Live Free Lead. Click on the blue Confirm. Click on the plus sign to the right of Label. We're calling this one Solo. Right now the solo foot switch is lit up. You probably want it to boot up in the rhythm setting when you click this song, so click on the verse foot switch. That's it. The Tone Master Pro automatically saves songs, so there is no need to click on Save. And see, I have my list now here of 2 different songs. I can click on either All Right Now or Now All Right. So let's try it out and see if it works right. All right, let's play the rhythm part and see how that sounds. All right, let's switch over to the lead. And then we could switch back to the rhythm. That's how it works, guys. This tutorial was a little long because Michel was using the free live preset as his starting point. If I didn't have to deal with the 2 small issues in that preset, putting together this song list would have taken 5 minutes. I mean, not even, nowhere near 10 minutes. I would say more closer to 5 minutes. It's really a simple procedure, guys. Michel, I hope this is the solution that you've been looking for. And if you're still here with me, thank you so much for stopping by and sticking around. I really do appreciate it. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, drop me a line below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Now next Wednesday, I will be having all new content. You don't want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, have a fantastic weekend, and I'll be talking with you again next week.